I'm Dr. Scott Abraham, and I am a board-certified orthopedic surgeon here in Kansas City. I specialize in hip and knee injuries, as well as chronic conditions that take a toll on the joints over time. A lot of people referred to me assume they need a joint replacement and are relieved to hear that more conservative treatments may work, like physical therapy, lifestyle changes, or injections. When surgery is your best option, rest assured you'll be getting the best care in the city with our team. People travel to our office from across the state and the country to seek treatment here, as I am one of the only physicians in the region to perform robotic-assisted joint replacement surgeries. This means I have a computerized navigation system beside me in the operating room to help produce a better outcome and ensure your total safety. I like to stay involved outside of work, and my family and I are involved in foster care and our church communities. This connection to my community keeps me driven and excited about being able to provide such high-quality care to my fellow Kansas Cityans. Give us a call if you're interested in making an appointment with me to address any concerns you might have about your hip or knee. You can learn more about the exciting work we're doing by visiting us online.